Microbes rule the natural world. Where there are microbes, there is metabolism, things breaking down and building up. I can't think of another industry more in need of the services of microbes, operationally, than farming, growing food, and feeding animals. Can you? Although we are increasingly aware of the role microbes play in health, there are few tools which act quickly enough to directly benefit the microbiome, and we believe there are no tools as effective as our tool, Biocomplex. So what's our story? 30 years ago, this bright spark microbiologist, Goran Djordjic, thought a lot more performance could be had if there was a better way to support microbes where they live and work. He investigated many raw materials and settled on the marine algae Ascophyllum nodosum. Ascophyllum nodosum is well known for its bioactive properties. Goran's eureka moment came when he was able to access and extract the polyuronic acid and oligosaccharides content intact biologically. EKO GEA's intellectual property, Biocomplex, was born. Biocomplex is a prebiotic biostimulant, an ideal culture media. It helps microbes do what they do, metabolize and proliferate, even fastidious, sluggish types, even in hostile environments. Biocomplex builds vast microbial populations which go to work supporting host health and cleaning the environment. When we apply Biocomplex in livestock production, it enables us to genuinely close the loop between feeding, growing animals, and managing their waste. Properly managed, microbes help us keep everything on the farm: waste as an asset, energy, water, carbon, and nutrients. Biocomplex promotes microbial diversity. Because microbes and microbial interactions are complex and still mostly unknown, Biocomplex leapfrogs probiotic discovery. Biocomplex goes to work harnessing microbes in situ and enhancing the performance of any biological process. Biocomplex in feeding improves gut microbiome profiles, which means better feed conversion, nutrient and water absorption, musculature, and general health. Young animals get a proper life start, assuring lifelong performance. We are what our microbes eat. Microbes are competitive, and the diversity promoted by Biocomplex is key to host health. Diverse microbial armies produce competitive exclusion, which equals pathogen reduction, and we use the good guys for feed conversion and nutrient assimilation and synthesis. Some data. 3 breeding sow units in Spain, 1,000 sows treated, 1,000 control. Biocomplex granulate fed at 300 grams per ton during 45 days of gestation, plus 3 weeks suckling. In addition to less diarrhea, earlier on-heat symptoms, higher fertility in older sows, and reduction in respiratory diseases. There were 60% less mastitis cases and a 70% reduction in mastitis medication costs, up to 25% increase in piglet weight, which meant 4 to 5 days less suckling time. This same Spanish study reported dramatic improvements in stall climate, lowered odor and humidity, stall ammonia only 8 to 10 parts per million, manure pumpability, less sticking, no foaming. No matter where we put Biocomplex, we see these effects. You cannot have sound microbiology without ion exchange. With Biocomplex, microbes mineralize waste, quickly transforming manure into a manageable source of carbon and nitrogen energy, again reducing pathogens in housing, ponds, and lagoons. Manure happens, but Biocomplex lessens this pressure on the planet. In aquaculture, we have little experience, but with Biocomplex conducting ion exchange and feeding beneficial microbes on skin, in guts and gills, and in the water, we are convinced Biocomplex will be a breakthrough tool in this sector, and water is our specialty. Biocomplex reduces water surface tension, increasing oxygen loading capacity. It buffers metals, feeds phytoplankton, which produce more oxygen, and feeds fish. Biocomplex helps balance the food web in ponds and provides the ultimate tool for reducing nutrient overload. Perhaps the most efficacious use of biocomplex is activating anaerobes, the couch potatoes of the microbe world. With biocomplex as a tool, we are able to treat manure and wastewater 100% anaerobically, something wastewater treatment experts insist cannot be done. After years of being frustrated by the way engineers design wastewater treatment plants, our team invented a breakthrough anaerobic process which allows biology to flex its muscles. Attributes of this process: energy neutral, biogas at 80% methane, no organic sludge, flexible nutrient options for crops or aquaculture. Wastewater treatment from which we harvest biogas. 3 proprietary technologies make this possible: a mechanical pretreatment which micronizes waste, biocomplex, of course, and our own biomedia which houses and holds the microbes we build in a fixed film. Farming isn't the only sector our technology addresses. Soil remediation, leachate and hydrocarbon cleaning, human health, anywhere biology is called to action. Biocomplex speeds, cleans, and protects, putting microbes to work the way Mother Nature intended. For biology to work, microbes require vast quantities of carbon and nitrogen. As humans, we are producing a nightmare of carbon and nutrient waste. EKO GEA grows the microbes which clean the environment, and we provide our customers a sustainable edge.